Box Destroyers, what's happening? Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about 3 practical ways to actually make money online, like in the very near future, like real things that you can do that are not like 6 months down the road or 12 months or take all this time and energy, but things you can do right now today. So, and this one I actually use in real life myself. This first one I'm going to talk about is Ebates. They have some TV commercials. You may have seen them. I don't know how. Apparently, I've been a member since 2010. I'll just give you the quick view of what it is. Basically, you're shopping online wherever you're already buying. If you go through Ebates, they in essence pay you a percentage back. So Ebates has deals with all these companies saying, hey, if we send you this traffic, then you'll pay us money. And then basically Ebates is sharing a percentage of that with you. How much? I have no idea. It doesn't matter. Because my recommendation to you is you're not buying anything any different than you would anyway, right? You're not like going above and beyond in purchasing. You're just buying whatever you need from the websites you already shop at, and you just click a button, and Ebates is activated. So I'll show you how that works. But so I've actually made like $1,000 the lifetime of using Ebates, which in 8 years is not all that much, but it's literally for clicking a button. I just to show you, I just got a payment. Congratulations on earning. You just got paid. So I just got paid $102 was the latest payment. They send it via PayPal, and so that's Ebates. Now, what they do, so there's two things. One, you can go through their portal and shop. Go to ebates.com. You register. You can shop through here and shop deals and stuff. So my opinion to you is, from a personal finance standpoint, absolutely don't do that. That makes you want to maybe, oh my goodness, there's 10% back here, I'm going to shop there. To me, that's not the smartest thing at all to do. What I say is go ahead and shop where you're shopping. So maybe you shop at walmart.com already, and you buy things, and okay, I'm looking for a toaster or something, I don't know. So say it's a toaster. If you use Google Chrome, like I do, you download the Ebates Chrome extension, and this is what happens. It pops up when you go to a website that is a part of the Ebates portal. You literally click this button and just say activate it for my shopping. It refreshes. You're in essence, this is an Ebates shopping trip, right? So now you just go about, do your own thing, shop like normal, check out, and then Ebates is going to credit your account. It's that easy, and so cool. It's now active. So that's literally what I have to do. Basically, you go to a website. I don't even think about Ebates, right? I don't even think twice about it. I just go, ooh, cool, Ebates, and then you click the button, and then next thing you know, you're making money. So that's a way to make money right now from what you're already doing, where you're already buying online and making money back. So that's simple. So down below, I think there's actually, it says here, refer and earn $25. So I will add that down below. Maybe you get some cash or something as well if you use that link, but I'll put that special link below where you can actually join up using that link, and I'll get $25. I don't know what you get. Maybe you get $25. Let's see. Let's go to it. Let's look real quick. Earn $25 every referral, no limit. Invite a friend, they join and spend at least $25. Okay, so I get $25. You'll get $10, which is pretty cool. So you'll get $10 actually if you use that link to join. And then once you buy $25, so that's awesome. So, all right, let's go to the next one. Number 2, practical way to make money. Selling gift cards. I know you're not going to get face value, so you got a $100 gift card to Best Buy, for example. You can sell that gift card at 80 or 90% or whatever the terms are of the face value and get cash, which is really cool. Let's say you have a gift card and you know you're never going to use it. It's sitting in a drawer. If you lose it, it's like losing cash, which is no good. If you never use it, it's basically like throwing away cash, which is no good. You could re-gift it to somebody. You could sell it on a website like this, and there's a number of them, but cardpool.com is one of them. And you could just Google, like, sell my gift cards. It's really a good idea. I don't think to go here when I need to buy gift cards, but you actually get to buy them at a discount. So you can purchase gift cards at a discount as well. And in essence, you're buying somebody else's gift card. So maybe they bought it for $100. They said, oh, I want to sell it. So maybe they sell it to this website for $80, right? So they take a $20 loss. And then maybe this website sells it for $90 or $95 to someone like me, where I don't have to spend $100. I can spend $90 or $95, but the website makes money. You make money for selling it. I get to buy it at a discount. Really, really interesting concept. So that's cardpool.com. The third option is a website called Slice the Pie. That is an actual website where you can actually get paid for your opinion, reviews, listening to music, like labels, like people to check out some new music and things like that they're putting out, and they want to get people's opinion. And sometimes you got to pay people for their opinions, right? To give your honest feedback, actually spend time, listen, to get attention. So they're willing to put money behind that. So Slice the Pie is that example. So these are things that you can actually do today, like practical things that you can do today, spend some time and make money. So Slice the Pie is going to be you spending time in order to make money. Gift card exchange is going to be you digging through a drawer to find an old gift card that you have not used and you're not going to use, so you're going to sell. And then Ebates is, if you're already buying online, you probably are, you're going to sign up here, use the link down below, and you're going to start getting rebates or Ebates back for what you're already doing. So let me know if you're already using one of these three. I'd love to hear from you and hear your kind of success story or how you're making some extra cash using this. And other ideas, share them below. I'm all about ideas, and connect with you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to get more videos like this from me. You can even hit the little bell notification icon to actually get notified every time those videos come out. And so I believe that life and business is one great adventure, and I would really love to journey that with you. So I think that we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. So below in the description, you'll find some links, a couple of resources, a couple of free ebooks, ways to make money online, as well as how to connect with me. And I would also love for you guys to pop a comment down below. I'd really love to keep in touch with you. Take care.